This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious fries in an air fryer. First, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes to ensure even cooking. Take 1 bag of your favorite frozen French fries, and if you like, lightly toss them with about 1 tablespoon of a neutral cooking oil, like canola or vegetable oil. This small step can really enhance their crispiness. Now, carefully place the fries into your air fryer basket, ensuring they are spread out in as close to a single layer as possible. It is very important not to overcrowd the basket. Too many fries at once will steam instead of crisp. If you are cooking a larger quantity, it is always better to cook them in 2 separate batches for truly perfect results. This ensures every single fry gets that excellent golden finish. Once your fries are loaded, set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by cooking them for an initial 10 to 12 minutes. After about 5 or 6 minutes into this first segment, pause the air fryer and give the basket a good, vigorous shake. This simple action helps redistribute the fries, promoting even browning and ensuring every side cooks beautifully. After the initial 10 to 12 minutes, give the basket another thorough shake. Then, return the fries to the air fryer and continue cooking them for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them during this final stage. You are looking for a beautiful deep golden brown color and a truly satisfying, crunchy crispness on the outside. Different air fryers vary slightly, so trust your judgment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.